Tomato benefits for health. Tomatoes are a popular fruit all over the world and are often used in various dishes and meals. Besides having a delicious and refreshing taste, tomatoes also have a variety of amazing health benefits. 1. Maintain heart health. One of the most well-known benefits of tomatoes is their ability to maintain heart health. Tomatoes contain lycopene, an antioxidant compound found in red or orange fruits and vegetables. Lycopene has a protective effect on the heart and can reduce the risk of coronary heart disease. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that moderate consumption of lycopene reduced LDL cholesterol, also called bad cholesterol, and increased HDL cholesterol, also known as good cholesterol. In addition, tomatoes also contain potassium, which helps maintain electrolyte balance and blood pressure, and fiber, which can reduce the risk of heart disease. 2. Maintain eye health. Another benefit of tomatoes is their ability to maintain eye health. Tomatoes contain vitamin A, which is necessary for maintaining healthy eyes and preventing macular degeneration, a condition in which vision becomes blurred or lost with age. In addition, tomatoes also contain lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidant compounds associated with eye health. According to a study published in the Journal of Food Science, consumption of tomatoes can help reduce the risk of cataracts and age-related macular degeneration. 3. Prevent cancer. Tomatoes are also known to have the effect of preventing cancer. The lycopene contained in tomatoes has a strong anti-cancer effect. A study published in the Journal of the National Cancer Institute found that consumption of adequate amounts of lycopene can reduce the risk of prostate cancer. Additionally, a study published in Cancer Epidemiology, Biomarkers, and Prevention found that consumption of tomatoes and tomato products may help reduce the risk of liver and lung cancer. 4. Maintain skin health. Another benefit of tomatoes is their ability to maintain healthy skin. Tomatoes contain vitamin C, which is necessary for the production of collagen, a compound that gives skin strength and firmness. In addition, tomatoes also contain lycopene, which helps protect the skin from sun damage. So, those are some of the benefits of tomatoes that we should know because we can make the most of tomatoes. Don't forget to subscribe to the Healthy Room channel so you don't miss information about health. Thank you.